Can't remember your Wi-Fi password but previously connected to it on your iPhone? You're in luck. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to find your saved Wi-Fi passwords on your iPhone. Now let's get started. To find your saved Wi-Fi passwords, open the Passwords app on your iPhone. Your iPhone will use Face ID to unlock this app. Then select Wi-Fi. Tap the name of the saved network you want to see the password for. You can then tap Password to reveal your saved password, or tap Show Network QR Code to create a QR code that your friends can scan to connect to the network. That's all it takes to find your Wi-Fi password on iPhone. For more helpful iPhone tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of iPhone tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.